He's literally followed us all the way up the watering hole because we think he is the daddy kingpin of this bigger group of elephants, and all the elephants wanted to go drink water and the babies and everything, and he literally just started chasing us out of here. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You sure?
Yeah, go.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's coming right at us. I hope you're videotaping all of this.
The funniest one would do if you we have to jump the car or what?
He's like, that's get out of my way. I don't know. You guys get out of my way. That's my water. He's very active, huh? Big personality. She's coming. They're both coming right at us. One there, that's the girl there. I think it's a girl, it might be a boy, it just looks like a girl to me. Actually, I think it's a boy, but and then you can hear over here, you can see in the bushes there's another one because he's making a lot of noise trying to get food or something. So let's go check that one out. He's coming towards us.
Well, you know they're wrong, right?
No, they're done.
Yeah, they're wrong.
Quality stuff. So our current situation is we're getting chased by an elephant. He's literally followed us all the way up the watering hole because we think he is the daddy kingpin of this bigger group of elephants, and all the elephants wanted to go drink water and the babies and everything, and he literally just started chasing us out of here.
He's coming.
And he's coming again, so gotta go. There's another car coming, so we better tell them. So it's been like, what, 15 minutes, and this guy has literally chased us all the way up the road. He's not given up. It's like almost like he's been chasing us for so long, he's stopped to eat every few minutes because he's hungry. And then starts chasing us again. Make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel.